channel, Commerce by Anup sir. How are you all doing? And today we are going to discuss the topic job design, which is related to our earlier topic job analysis. In the job analysis, we have discussed that job analysis is the process of collecting the information about the job, and after collecting the information about the job, the various information is combined in a single unit. Means which type of task can be performed in a single job, in a single unit, that is known as job design. Means job design, this is the process of organize the task, duties and responsibilities into a single unit to achieve the certain objective. कि सर्टेन ऑब्जेक्टिव को कंप्लीट करने के लिए हमने जो जॉब एनालिसिस में इंफॉर्मेशन इकट्ठी की थी, उस इंफॉर्मेशन को एक जगह पे इकट्ठी करना। मीन्स एक कौन कौन से काम करने हैं, उन काम को करने के लिए कौन कौन सी स्किल्स चाहिए, और उन स्किल्स को कंबाइन करके हम एक जॉब बनाते हैं। दैट इज नोन एज जॉब डिजाइन। दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ कंबाइनिंग द टास्क, ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज। जॉब डिजाइन करना मीन्स जॉब तैयार करना कि दिस इज द जॉब and you have to do that job, and for doing that particular job you need these type of skills. This is actually job designing. Job design includes 3 steps. Yeah, it includes normally 3 points. First, we have to identify the various tasks. Means we have to identify the various tasks which we have to perform in the organization. Then what are the methods to perform these tasks? मतलब ये टास्क किस तरीके से कंप्लीट किए जा सकते हैं, उसको उसके मेथड जानना। एंड देन कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टास्क टू ए जॉब मींस कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सिमिलर टास्क टू ए जॉब। सिमिलर टास्क को कंबाइन करके एक जॉब बनाना, दिस इज जॉब डिजाइन। जॉब डिजाइन मींस कि कैसे हम ड्यूटीज, टास्क और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को कंबाइन करते हैं। तो ये जो जॉब एनालिसिस है और जॉब डिजाइन है, इनमें बच्चे थोड़े से कंफ्यूज होते हैं, बट ये अलग अलग चीजें हैं। जॉब डिजाइन जो है जॉब एनालिसिस के बाद आता है। जॉब एनालिसिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप एंड जॉब डिजाइन इज द सेकंड स्टेप, एंड थर्ड स्टेप इज जॉब इवैल्यूएशन which we will complete in the next video. Okay, तो जॉब डिजाइन मीन्स टास्क, ड्यूटीज और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को इकट्ठा करना। इट इंक्लूड्स 3 things: टास्क, methods to perform the task, and combination of task to a job means combination of similar task to a job. This is job characteristics. जॉब के अंदर कौन कौन सी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आते हैं, कैसे हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं? तो जॉब डिजाइन मॉडल इज गिवन बाय रिचर्ड हैकमैन एंड जीआर ओल्डहैम। बहुत बार पूछा जाता है हु हैज गिवन द जॉब डिजाइन मॉडल या हु हैज गिवन द जॉब कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स मॉडल। तो दिस मॉडल इज गिवन बाय रिचर्ड हैकमैन एंड जीआर गोल्डमैन, and they said that there are 5 type of characteristics that are required to make a job. कि एक जॉब जब आप बना रहे हो, एक जॉब आप जब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में तैयार कर रहे हो, तो उसके लिए हम ये 5 चीजें इंक्लूड करते हैं। 5 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हम उसके अंदर इंक्लूड करते हैं। क्या क्या है वो? फर्स्ट इज स्किल वैरायटी, मीन्स व्हाट आर द वेरियस टाइप ऑफ स्किल्स नीडेड बाय ए पर्सन टू डू द पर्टिकुलर जॉब। टास्क आइडेंटिटी means how we will identify the job, means what will be the outcome of your job, what will be the outcome of your job, either it is tangible or intangible. Normally we consider the tangible outcome of the job. Next, task significance, how important is your job to the organization, how important is your job to the other jobs. So that is task significance. Next, autonomy means what type of freedom, how much freedom we give to the employees to take the decision related to his or her job. Autonomy. Feedback, most important. When we are doing a particular job, we need to know the feedback, means how well we are doing the job, means कि how well the employee performing the job. And these 5 characteristics help the person, help the organization to design a job. Which are these 5 characteristics? Skill variety, task identity, task significance, autonomy and feedback. These 5 steps, characteristics are combined to make a MPS score, motivating potential score. Means what potential the job have to motivate the employees, या how much potential a particular job have to motivate the employees. This is calculated by skill variety into task identification into task significance, divided by 3 into autonomy into feedback. Means S into TI into TS divided by 3 and multiplied by autonomy and feedback. And this is give you the MPS. High MPS means high motivation to the employees. Means जितना MPS स्कोर एक जॉब का हाई होगा उतना ही हम ये मान के चलते हैं कि उसके अंदर मोटिवेटिंग कैपेबिलिटीज है, एम्प्लॉइज को मोटिवेट करने की कैपेबिलिटीज है. Clear? So this is the characteristics, job characteristics model, which includes 5 characteristics, and these characteristics give us a MPS, and MPS help in deciding that either the job is motivating or not, or we have to need to add something to the job or not. Clear? This is job design. And if we come to that, who has given the term job design? The job design is given by Frederick. It's come from the work of Frederick Taylor, who is the father of scientific management. When he is talking about the scientific method of doing a particular job, he is actually talking about the job design. So obviously Frederick Taylor is known as the person who coined the term job design and who is known as the father of job design. Clear? Next, factor affecting job design means how will we design the job? What are the various factors which affect the job design? There are 3 types of factors which affect the job design in the organization. First is organizational factor, second is environmental factor, third is behavior factor. All these factors make job design, and job design, if job design is successful, it gives the satisfying job and the productivity to the employees, and if not, we have to come back to these factors. पहला फैक्टर आता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल फैक्टर्स. ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल फैक्टर्स में जो है क्या आता है, मीन्स व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वर्क is available in the organization, characteristics of task, workflow, how the workflow from one job to the other job, and how the work practices are used in the organization. What type of work practices are used in the organization? Organization factor में हम 3 factors जो है पढ़ते हैं. क्या आता है? First is job characteristics या characteristics of task characteristics. Second आता है workflow, how the job flow from one person to the another person, and third is work practice, means what type of practices, what type of working practices is allowed in the organization, what type of freedom is given to the employees. Clear? So these are the 3 factors that are related to organization factor, task characteristics, workflow and work practices. Then we come to the environmental. Environmental means society, जहाँ पे हम रह रहे हैं, जहाँ पे हमारा organization काम कर रहा है. तो environmental factor always affect the job design. Means हमारे पास जिस तरह के लोग होंगे, जिस तरह के हमारे पास employees available होंगे, workforce available होगी, उसी के according जो है हम job design करेंगे. तो environmental factor में जो है 2 factor आते हैं. कौन-कौन सा factor आता है? First is employee availability and social and cultural expectation. Employee availability and social and cultural expectation. Social and cultural expectations means कि किस तरह के लोग हमारे पास, वर्कफोर्स आपके पास किस तरह का अवेलेबल है, and what type of working condition he or she is expecting from us. What are the social and cultural expectations from the job? That are the environmental factors. And last comes to the behavior factor. Behavior factor means आपके इंडिविजुअल, आपके एम्प्लॉइज किस तरह का बिहेव करते हैं, क्या हम उनसे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, वो आपके जॉब डिजाइन में हेल्प करता है. तो बिहेवियर फैक्टर में वो 2 चीजें आती हैं नॉर्मली, ऑटोनॉमी एंड फीडबैक मीन्स कितनी फ्रीडम उनको हम लोगों से चाहिए, कितना फीडबैक उन्हें हमें से चाहिए, कौन कौन सी वैरायटी का जॉब हमारे पास अवेलेबल है या कौन कौन सी वैरायटी के जो है आपको वो चीज़ें प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं। तो दिस इज जॉब डिजाइन कि जॉब डिजाइन क्या होता है, मॉडल क्या है, फैक्टर्स कौन से हैं जो जॉब डिजाइन को इफेक्ट करते हैं। नेक्स्ट, job design approach means how we design the job, how we can make job more motivating and more challenging to the employees, means how we can make more challenging job to the employees. This is the important topic which we are covering now, and there are 5 approaches. Normally there are 5 popular approaches for the job design. 5 approaches. ये ऐसी अप्रोच है जो आप लोगों ने बहुत सुनी होंगी, पढ़ी है हम सब लोगों ने, और बट इम्पोर्टेंट है पेपर के हिसाब से भी और वैसे आपके नॉलेज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी। 5 अप्रोच कौन कौन सी है? फर्स्ट इज जॉब रोटेशन, सेकंड इज जॉब इंजीनियरिंग, third is job enrichment, job enlargement, then job enrichment, socio-technical system, socio-techno systems. First is job rotation, second is job engineering, then job enlargement, enrichment, socio-technical system, and 2 और नई टर्म्स हम इसमें पढ़ते हैं कई बार, ergonomics and multiscaling, ergonomics और multiscaling, ergonomics and multiscaling. Ergonomics and multiscaling. So there are 7 approach, we can say that 7 approach to the job design. First, job rotation, सबसे आसान, सबसे easy कि we can keep on rotating to the various job, to the similar jobs. Means a clerical staff is rotated to the same clerical job in the other department so that he face some change and he avoid the boredom and the monotonous in the job. This is the easiest way to enrich the job, means moving employee from one job to the another job. Moving employees from one job to the another job, so that we can say that the employee is able to do the various job at the same time, and it will help out us in the future. Means moving employees from one job, 2 job, 3 job. So we keep on rotating like this. आप एक सर्कल की तरह से उसको रोटेट करवाते रहते हैं, एंड ये यूज किया था, दिस इज यूज्ड ओनली फॉर द क्लरिकल जॉब और ऑन द lower scale job, so that we can keep them rotating. These type of jobs does not affect the organization as much, so we can use job rotation in this. And here is the term given by Hertzberg for the job rotation, substituting one zero for the another zero. Means हम एक बंदे को सिमिलर जॉब से दूसरी जॉब पे भेज रहे हैं तो उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. Substituting one zero to the another zero. Substituting 1 0 to the another 0 means आप उसकी जॉब में कुछ नया ऐड नहीं कर रहे हो, वो पहले जैसा था वैसे ही आपने उसको दूसरी जगह पे ऐड कर दिया. मींस 0 + 0 = 0, कोई आपने उसकी जॉब में ऐड नहीं किया. दिस इज जॉब रोटेशन, पॉपुलर टेक्निक ऑफ जॉब डिजाइन. नेक्स्ट इज जॉब इंजीनियरिंग. जॉब इंजीनियरिंग इज focus on the task to be performed, means how the task will be rather performed, what will be the method of the performance of the job, and how the work flow from one job to the another job, and layout of the workplace as well as independencies among the various workers in the same job. That is job engineering, means how the job is designed, how the job is performed in the organization. It's normally related to the tools and techniques and the machines and the layout of the workplace. This is very important aspect. If workplace is designed in a good way, in an effective way, there will be the less motion, there will be the less wastage, and there will be the less fatigue to the employees. So to increase the job design, to make the job design more effective, we have to work on job engineering. Job engineering, clear? This is about the workplace settlement of the equipment and the machine and the all this. Next is job enlargement. Job enlargement means to add the new jobs, new tasks to the same job. To add new tasks to the same job. Enlarge करना means आप एक काम कर रहे थे, you are adding with 2 and 3. आपके साथ और काम जोड़ दिए गए हैं 1, 2 and 3. Means the performance is doing the one job, he is added with the other task, he is added with the some other task. So that he feel more important to the organization, or he feel that कि job is also enlarging or redesigning. There is not much redesigning, there is adding the work only. But it can be motivate the employees, task varieties includes, ability is increased, worker face control हो जाता है, तो it includes someone. And job enlargement is said by Herzberg that adding 0 to 0 means we are adding 0 to the 0. मतलब उसी job में हम ऐसा add कर रहे हैं जिससे कोई खास फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. This is known as job enlargement. But ट्रेनिंग पोस्ट बढ़ जाती है, लोग काम करना पसंद नहीं करते एक्स्ट्रा, अगर सेम सैलरी में सेम उसमें आपको कोई बेनिफिट नहीं मिल रहा है तो वो उसके जो है डिसएडवांटेज हो सकते हैं. Next is job enrichment. This term is given by Herzberg. This term is given by Herzberg. Herzberg को और हमने कहाँ पढ़ा था? मोटिवेशन की थ्योरीज में, 2 factor theories of Herzberg. So this is term is given by Herzberg. Yes, it said that job can be redesigned if we add motivator to the job. If we add motivator to the job means अगर हम जॉब को मोटिवेटर ऐड करते हैं तो हम जॉब को ऐड कर सकते हैं, हम जॉब को एनरिच कर सकते हैं, उसको डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू Herzberg there are 8 factors which can add a job to make it enriched as compared to the earlier job. What are these factors? These factors are direct feedback, client relationship, new learning, scheduling of own work, unique experience, control over the resources, direct communication and personal accountability. Clear? So this is job enrichment, means where we add motivators to the job. Job enrichment. This is given by Herzberg. And job enlargement के बारे में Herzberg ने क्या कहा था? Adding 0 to the 0. And job rotation के बारे में क्या कहा था? Substituting one 0 with the another 0. This is job enrichment. Last one is, next is socio-technical system. Socio-technical system means how the people and the machines of the organization are coordinated and regulated together. Means how the machines and the employees are related to each other, how they are attached to the organization. Means how the social system and the technical system of the organization is arranged or organized. It helps in the job design. Next is multi-skilling. Multi-skilling means multi-skilled employees are welcomed everywhere. Means you have to know more than one task while you are doing a particular job. Multi-skilling. We can use multi-skilled employees for the job design. Means if employees will be multi-skilling, we can shift to them the other job. We can make them more happy with other type of the job. Next is ergonomics. Ergonomics is the study of physical abilities towards the job. Physical ability, matching the physical abilities with the work. Mental abilities, physical abilities with the work. Ergonomics means जो person physically जिस काम के लिए fit है उसको वही काम देना, so that he can work properly, he can work in a proper manner. This is job design. कि job design जो है क्या होता है, किस तरीके से हम उसके ऊपर काम करते हैं. Clear? समझ आया? There are 5 approaches to the job design: job rotation, job engineering, job enlargement, job enrichment, socio-technical system, multi-skilling and ergonomics. And there are the factors affecting the job design. Job design is given by Frederick Taylor. But in spite of these job designing techniques, there are some modern methods of job design also. Means, as you know, in the time of technology, telecommunication is also helping designing the job. We work from home, we work from remote areas, we are connected with the other people. This is also the way of designing the job. Flexi hour system, alternate week system, alternate work system, these are also used by the organization as a new techniques of job design. This is all about job design. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment box. We will discuss them in the next video. Till now, thank you.